Most people get this wrong. They assume all internet and TV bundles are basically the same. But Fission by Hotwire Communications has some unique features that could make or break your experience. If you're thinking about signing up, you need to know the full story. Fission is a fiber optic internet and TV service offered by Hotwire in select regions. Its biggest selling point is speed. Some plans offer up to 1 Gbps download speeds, which is perfect for streaming, gaming, and multiple devices connected at once. That's a huge advantage if your household has several users or smart devices. The TV service is decent, but not revolutionary. It includes standard channels and on-demand options, but it doesn't have the depth of offerings you'd find with cable giants like Xfinity or DirecTV. Most people find it sufficient for basic entertainment, though if you're a sports fan or want international channels, check availability first. Customer service is where Fission gets mixed reviews. Some users report responsive support, while others mention delays in resolving technical issues. Installation is usually straightforward, but keep in mind that fiber isn't available everywhere, so coverage depends heavily on your area. Pricing is competitive compared to other fiber providers, but it's not the cheapest. You get reliable speeds and decent service, but if you're looking for a bargain with fewer expectations, you might find better deals elsewhere. The surprising truth about Fission is that while it excels at high-speed internet, it isn't a perfect all-in-one solution for TV. For many households, pairing it with a streaming service like Netflix or Hulu may be the better choice. In conclusion, Fission by Hotwire is worth considering if you prioritize fast, reliable internet. The TV service is decent, but don't expect it to replace premium cable. Always check coverage and read the fine print before signing up. Subscribe for more honest reviews of internet and tech services to help you make informed decisions.